Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage radio, only way. Start by removing the trim bezel using a soft pry tool at the bottom corners. Unscrew visible fasteners and gently pull the bezel away to expose radio mounting screws. Remove the screws and slide the radio out slightly to access wiring harnesses. Depress connector clips and unplug antenna and harnesses before fully removing the unit from the dash. In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage radio, only way. Begin by gathering a soft pry tool, Phillips screwdriver, and a small socket set. Protect surfaces with a cloth and stage screws in a tray to avoid loss. Verify the battery is disconnected to prevent shorts and system resets. Work patiently when disengaging clips to prevent damage. Keep connectors labeled for easy reinstallation and testing. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music to your workspace and helps you cue steps hands-free while working on the dash. It pairs easily and sounds great for a small device, so it is a handy shop companion. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Sportage radio, only way. Release the bottom trim clips and work upward to free the bezel without bending tabs. Unscrew the radio mounting screws visible behind the bezel and support the radio as you lower it from the dash. Carefully depress plastic connector tabs and remove the antenna cable and wiring harness plugs. Set the radio aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.